Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your August smart lock firmware through the August app, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the August app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. Verify that your August smart lock is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Locate the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to access the main settings. Scroll down to find Smart Lock. Select your August smart lock from the list of devices. Once selected, look for the Firmware Update option. Tap on Firmware Update to check for any available updates. If an update is available, you will see a prompt indicating this. Read the update details to understand what improvements or fixes it includes. Tap on Download to begin downloading the new firmware. Ensure your smart lock remains powered during this process. The app will notify you once the download is complete. After downloading, tap on Install to start the update process. Wait for the installation to complete, which might take a few minutes. The app will notify you when the firmware update is successfully installed. Check the firmware version number to confirm the update. If everything looks good, you have successfully updated your August smart lock firmware. Return to the main menu to continue using your app as normal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.